Hello guys, welcome to the new video. I am going to show you how to make 3D text in PixelLab. Let's get into the video. Open Backgrounds panel and select the background color you want, me using pink color as background. Now, go to text and add the text you want. And now go to Fonts, apply the font to it. You will find the font name and link in description. Rotate your text slightly by holding the semicircle. Adjust the padding, not to cut your text edges. Now, decrease the space between upper and lower text using line spacing. Add the color to your text as same color as background but light one. You can adjust the color by tapping on plus icon, which is right side of your colors. Now go to 3D option and enable it. Change the size of text, avoid the bug temporarily. Change the view type to oblique. Decrease the depth by 2 or 1 according to your text. Now change depth color to color from auto. Decrease the darkness to 0 and follow the steps as shown. Here, the angle of light plays key role in 3D. Now go to Emboss and enable it. Enable shadows and follow the steps carefully. After adjusting shadows, go to Layers on right top and duplicate the layer by 5 times. Adjust all layers to center and relative position tool. Now adjust the shadows of every layer as shown to get better shadow effect. This process might take some time, but be patient to get good results. Me just adding just darker color for good look. That's all. This is the final result. Hope you like it. But before exporting it, I will give you a trick to export it without any error. You can see here when you merge down all layers, the text will become as some shit. The same thing happens when you export the text directly without doing this, so follow the steps. Change the size of top text layer and see where the text is ruined. Move that text layer to a side and merge it with another layer by changing the size until you get it perfectly. When you get it perfectly, take the number of that size and apply it to all layers, then merge them all. Here you go. Now it is perfect to export.
Thanks for watching.